I am Joselito Campos, Operations Head of The Food Gallery Bakery Products Manufacturing, one of the franchisee of Panadero Bake Shop, which is located at Davao City. And then we have 3 branches, Panadero Damosa, Panadero Piapi, and then Panadero Mini Forest. Yung products namin is breads, which is essential siya para sa ating mga kababayan, and then affordable po. 24 hours kami po dito. Yung una naming batch ng tinapay, pandesal, yung ensaymada, yung typical na kinakain ng mga Pinoy sa umaga. And pagkatanghali is yung mga matatamis naman. Kung sa Bisaya pa is painit. So usually po, patapos na po yung araw is we have cheese disal. May mga tao kasi na hindi mahihilig sa kanin as alternative for the rice, which is 5 pesos. It's very affordable po. Sa lahat ng franchise business namin is Converge po yung ginagamit namin. Okay naman po, using yung Converge, which is nakakatulong siya in terms of communication. And then nakakommunicate naman kami tuloy-tuloy without interrupting yung mga weekly meeting, yung monthly, and then annual meeting. Pag-communicate sa yung mga supplier namin, yung mga other staffs namin, just like sa ibang branch dito sa Davao, at saka sa Cagayan de Oro. Through Converge, nagbibigyan kami ng easy channel o easy medium, how to communicate, how to executing, and then how to monitor the business without physically na nandun kami mismo. Yun lang po yung binabayaran namin sa last naming internet provider. Pero ang kagandahan lang is malakas yung Converge. Pag mayroong magkakaproblema po sa internet connection, agad-agad naman nilang sinosolve. As we grow, kailangan talaga namin mag-adapt into new technology.